Hi, I'm Julie the Mirror Beauty, and today... Oh my god, what's that? Am I in the Squid Game now? Or shall I just put it on my lips? That's a better idea. I will be using these 3 liquid lipsticks as main colors and one bonus one that I'll show you in the end. So here's how you can recreate that. Paint your upper lip in black, overlining it slightly in the middle. Paint your bottom lip in teal, and then with a white liquid lipstick and a thin brush, start applying the classic Squid Game symbols for the upper lip, the triangle, the circle, and the square. I personally decided to repeat the order they had in the Squid Game cards. And then on the lower lip, you can paint the numbers of the players that stood out the most to you. Now, this is a fairly simple lip art to recreate despite of what it seems, because if you mess up with these numbers, you can always correct the mess by using a thin brush and the background color lipstick, that is the teal in this case. And some of the players that stood out the most to me so far, I haven't watched all the TV show yet, were 67, 1, and the famous 456. Carve your lips with foundation to make that line perfect and crisp and smooth. Don't forget to blend the foundation into the skin. Now, if you weren't wearing any foundation in the first place, you can use the same flat angled brush and a makeup remover. Now let's go to the bonus step. For that, I will use a fluffy eyeshadow brush. And here is the bonus lipstick I told you about, the blood red one. And you just need to dip the brush very slightly into the lipstick and then tap it on your lips to create the illusion of the blood splatters. After all, there was some blood in the game, you got to admit, right? And here is the final result with the blood, which was totally optional. So what does this all mean? Do I have to participate in the Squid Game now? I hope not. I hope I'm still here for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and check on me. Thanks for watching. Bye!